Okay, hopefully this will help somebody. On the 2007 and newer Chevy with the brake controller, and you do not have power on the light blue with a white stripe wire, that's the signal wire from the brakes, to the brake controller under the dash. Come out here, make sure that these two wires are hooked up. This one's hidden over here, taped up loosely. This is the feed wire to the controller. This stud is on this fuse. This wire, which is usually taped up right there, goes to this stud. It does not go to the alternator. It goes here. Why? Because this has a fuse. This shorts out while it's hooked to your alternator. Bye-bye alternator. Hook it up here. Then, check that little prick right there. Fuse number 43. Of course, you'd go look in the fuse box and I've checked everything that's got anything to do with brakes. But as we look at 43, miscellaneous ignition, 10 amps. I'm not pulling every fucking fuse to take a look, are you? No. But guess what? That's the one. What happens is, this is strictly theory, but there's no other explanation. If these wires are not hooked up, especially the one going to that feeds the brake controller, the only other place I can get power is from the signal wire of the brakes. That's a 10 amp circuit. Brake controller pulls 30, 20, 30 on a 10 amp circuit. Bye bye fuse. So there's a little bastard that didn't have power till you check 43. Here's the red and black wire that feed power to the controller. Dark blue goes from the controller to the trailer. And if you're wise, you will put a fuse between the blue line and the controller. If your shit ever gets pinched and shorts that wire out, you'll burn up your controller. So put a fuse in it. And then this was working on manual, but it wasn't working on the brake. Fuse 43. So hopefully that helps somebody. Days and days of searching, because what a pain in the dick that was. All over a fuse. Happy towing.